Most people fail at affiliate marketing not because they don't try, but because their follow-up sucks. If you've ever built a funnel and then ghosted your list, this is for you. I just went through a course called Automated Commission System by Benjamin Fletcher, and I gotta say, I learned stuff that even I wasn't doing yet. He walks you through how to build a full funnel using just Aweber. Yes, even the free version, write a 3-part email sequence that taps into real buying triggers and use his own custom GPT to generate emails that convert automatically. This is the kind of setup that lets you get back to living life while your funnel follows up for you. Now, here's where it gets even better. If you grab the system through my link, I'm hooking you up with $421 in bonuses to make this even easier. Bonus 1, Aweber Flow Fixer. The platform changed. I'll show you the new layout so you don't get stuck. Bonus 2, Proactive Audience Building. My personal method for getting daily free traffic from social media. No ads, no spam. Bonus 3, Secret Traffic Tap. A sneaky, under-the-radar method I use to drive warm leads into my funnel. And it works beautifully with Ben's system. This is seriously one of the most plug-and-play systems I've ever reviewed. And the fact that Ben includes a trained GPT to help write for you, that alone is worth it. Watch my full walkthrough.